Do you often forget about important all-day event? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra lets you set default alert time for every all-day event you create, so you will never miss them again. Here's how to set it up. First, open Samsung Calendar app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left. Then tap the settings icon. Scroll down the screen. Tap default alert time. Choose all day events. Turn this option on. And now you will see different alert time choices. Day of event at 9 a.m. Day before event at 5 p.m. 2 days before event at 9 a.m. Or custom where you set your own time. Let's pick day before event at 5 p.m. as the example. This is really useful if you need time to prepare, like reminding yourself a day early to buy a gift before someone's birthday. And that's it. Now, every time you create an all-day event, Samsung Calendar will automatically use your chosen default alert time. No more missing important occasion. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.